Hey family, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Usetale. I want to start by saying a happy new year to every one of you. Happy new year guys and welcome to 2024. I cannot wait to start sharing with you guys all that I have installed for you in this 2024. But before I get started, I want to make a quick announcement. If you noticed recently on my Instagram page, I've actually created another page which is Stitches by Tale, where I started posting most of my Instagram reel around ending of last year. A lot of you know that my Instagram handle is Osetale, and that is where I have been posting most of my reels. But I decided to move my reels from my personal page, which is Osetale, to my business page, which is Stitches by Tale. That's where I'm going to be posting all of my Instagram reel from henceforth. So do what to search for the page on Instagram and follow. And again, my YouTube channel, which is the channel where I'm talking to you guys right now, was initially named Osetale. I also changed it from Osetale to Stitches by Tale. I don't know if any of you have noticed it over the days or weeks. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to come here to clear the air and let you guys know that the Osetale that you know before is the Stitches by Tale that you are going to be seeing from now henceforth. Please don't be confused, okay? I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Like, you guys are so amazing. Can you believe we are currently at 79,000 subscribers? That is massive. Road to 100k, guys, and I know that's definitely going to happen this year. You guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate, guys. So now to the business of the day, which is the making of this beautiful triangular jacket, also called Cocoon Jacket, that I am putting on right now. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to make this beautiful, simple and classy jacket, you want to keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started with the tutorial. So guys, this is the fabric I'm going to be using to share with you guys how I made the cocoon jacket. It is a very simple and easy tutorial. It is not something that is difficult at all, and you are going to be needing just 1 yard of fabric to be able to make this jacket regardless of your size. I'm also going to be making use of this piece of fabric for the band area of the jacket. It is a very long fabric that I have joined together. So when I'm sewing, I will fold it together like this to sew. So I have it to be 4.5 inches wide, and it is very long enough to sew the jacket. Okay. Now to sew this jacket, I'm not going to be cutting anything, like I'm not going to be cutting this fabric. You don't need to cut anything. All you need to do is this area here that has the label. You can see we have area here that has the label, and this other side does not have the label. So this other part that doesn't have the label is the part where I will be sewing the band to. Okay. Now let's place the fabric aside and prepare the band. So I'll just bring my towel, then I'll bring the black long piece of fabric that I have already cut out. I'm just going to fold it together like this, then I will iron it out. This is what you're going to have after you are done folding it together and ironing it out. So this is it. Now I'm going to bring the fabric. So this is the part that has label. So this other part that doesn't have label, I will measure it to get what I have. So after I was done measuring, I had 46 inches. So I'm going to measure the band. I will cut out 46 inches as well. So I decided to cut out 47 inches. So I'm going to use that one to cut out another one. So I need two of it. So just cut out two pieces of the band, making sure that they are both 47 inches. So after you are done cutting, these are the two bands. Now I'm going to open up the fabric on the table. Make sure that the right side is facing you. So this is the right hand side. So this side here that does not have the label, I'm going to sew the band to the side that does not have the label. Okay, so I'll just place it on it like this, then I'll take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew it down. Then after you're done doing that, you will do the same thing to the other side, place the band and sew it down. So guys, this is what you're going to have after you're done sewing. I've sewn it. I did it to the two sides. I also went ahead to use my overlock machine to weave it to give it a very nice finishing. So after you're done doing that, now the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and place this area here that has the label. This is the side that have the label. So you're going to place it together like this. So just place it together and make a notch at the middle. So just make a notch at the middle. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Place it together and make a notch at the middle. After you're done making notches like that, you're going to take your round sleeve measurement divided by 2. So the round sleeve I'm making use of is 13 inches divided by 2. I have 6.5. So I just measured it and I'm making a cut on it. You can see just like half-inch cut. Then you're also going to do the same thing to the other side. Place it together and measure your round sleeve measurement divided by 2, which is 6.5, and make a cut. So guys, after you're done making cuts on it like that, you're going to take it to the sewing machine and hem it. So just take this to your sewing machine and you're going to hem it just like you see me demonstrating. You're also going to do the same thing to the other side, hem it just like this. This is what I had after I was done hemming. You can see. So this is how it is going to look like. I also did the same thing to the other side. Now the next thing you're going to do is to mark the middle of your fabric. So I just use my chalk to mark it. Then I'm going to flip it on it. Did you see? I just folded it on the middle of the fabric and I also fold this other side to give it like a triangular shape. Did you see? So after you're done folding it like that, you're going to place this area together. Then you're going to join it together just like that. Then after doing that, you will do the same thing to the other side. You're going to mark the middle, fold it on it just like this in a triangular form. Do the same thing to the other side. Then now you're going to place these two ends together, take it to your sewing machine, and you're going to sew it down. So guys, this is what I had after I was done sewing. So I flipped it to the right side. Now I'm going to show you guys how to iron this out very well. So just place it together like this in a triangular form. You're going to iron it out. You can see the opening. That's the opening of the sleeve that I have there. So just go ahead and iron this out very well. So guys, this is how you're going to have it looking like after you are done ironing. You can see the sleeve opening. So this here and here is the sleeve opening and this area here is the neck. So this is it. This is how to go about making a rectangular jacket, also known as a cocoon jacket. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.